We have to send for Adaka. We cannot watch Ikemba mourn in pain, be sleeping away from us.
Yes. If we have to make a sacrifice of blood to the gods, we have to do it.
I have sent for Adaka already.
And what then is keeping him?
Where's Adaka?
It's on his way.
Oh, that's good.
Good you are here. The herbs have stopped working on Ikemba.
We must make a sacrifice of blood. The sacrifice must be the heads of 2 young men.
If that will save the life of our beloved king Ikemba, let us do it fast.
Dimka, get your men and go to Anupa and get 2 young men. Bring them here alive.
Yes, you shall. How is my father? Greetings, my friends.
Greetings.
I'm afraid he's not getting better. But there's hope. Adaka said he will only survive with the sacrifice of 2 young men.
Go and get the men anywhere.
We are going to Anukma to do so, my prince.
Go now. My father must not die. Go quickly.
Yes, my prince.
Go.
I am going to see my father.
If you set your eyes on him, you will die.
Grandmother, he is sick. Can't I see him? Even on his dying bed.
Don't be stubborn, believer. You've not bothered all these years to see him, and suddenly you want to see him now. Do not say I didn't warn you. As soon as you step your foot in that compound, Otubilo will strike you dead.
What is that?
I have told you that before, when you were younger.
That was a long time ago. I can't remember.
It is the League of Spirit protecting the king against any potential successor. You are one.
Agumba the great warrior. Agumba, the way you are now, you are fit to break Omalize's neck. Break his hands.
Listen, Iboka, as I'm talking to you now, I feel like going for a wrestling bout in the land of the spirit. Yes, Agumba.
I support you. I support you. Agumba. Agumba Wokem. Agumba Dogu. Agumba the great one. Agumba
Oriewu Naji Kambo.
Agumba Ekali Oriewu Naji. Ini Ewu. Riaji. Rikwabubo. Are you not the great one? Yeah? Agumba. Agumba. The great one. The great one. Yemia. Obia. Obia.
You people are from out there here! This guy is not a problem! Chima!
It's like a
Chima!
It's like a Digini. Agumba. Agumba. What do you do? Eh? Agumba.
Wait.
Agumba.
Are you taking cover at my back? Wait. Does my chest look like cheat? Doesn't arrows penetrate flesh?
Agumba, you're the great warrior now. You're the great Agumba. Do something.
Wait. Look. She ran this way. Meaning that Dinka is coming from this way.
Very correct, Agumba.
Okay. You know what, Iboka? I am going to go through this way and block them. Remember, I am still the great wrestler, Agumba. Let me go and block them from this way. I still remain the great Agumba.
I know Agumba.
I am still the great Agumba. I am still the also Agumba.
Agumba.
Agumba. I am still the great Agumba. I know you are Agumba. Wait for me. Agumba. Hey, this is the direction. Hey, wait for me. I still remain the great Agumba.
Agumba, you running? Agumba, let's up one also. Agumba, wait. Agumba. Why must it be us? Why? Shut up! Do not look at our faces when we talk!
What do you want? What do you want?
We need just 3 men. Give us 3 men and we will leave without hurting anybody.
3 men? Just a few days ago, we gave you 7 men. We are still mourning them. Can you take animals?
Ask you to question what we want!
Please, I am appealing. I am not objecting.
Then
I can give you 7 goats.
Then keep quiet! Do not speak, old man.
I am speaking on behalf of the people of Anupa.
People of Anupa? Is there anyone in Anupa? Is there any man in Anupa? Answer me! Is there any man in Anupa?
No. There is none.
Those you are, those you will be. Bind them! I don't want to take me away, Father.
Please, don't take me away. Please, he's my only son. I'll give you 10 goats. Please.
Try you look at Tinker's face and say rubbish.
Please, have mercy upon me. You can see. Please, you can take me instead. Leave my son. Go.
Babadash. Papa, this is shameful. They keep taking us away to slaughter. Gods of Anuba. Here you are, Agumba. Hiding why they take us as prey. Did you hear what Dikeh said? That there's no man in Anuba?
First of all, I was not hiding. I am only performing my daily rituals in preparation for my next contest. Yes. How can I, Agumba, hide away from Dikeh and his men? That is not possible. You should know that.
Yes. Yes. Agumba cannot hide for them. Uyikabu. The greatest Agumba. Hide for who? Not possible.
By the way, who is taking who as prey?
The people of Umuodo. They have taken Nsofo and 2 of our young men. We would have fought them if we were many.
But wait. Were you actually expecting me, Agumba, to go and fight Dikeh and his men?
They are men like us. They are not gods.
They are not ordinary men. They are warriors. The greatest in the 9 clans of Imo and beyond. I am only a wrestler. Yes.
You disappoint me. This is why they look us in the face and say that there's no man in Anuba. You are like a member. You are a warrior. And a wrestler.
Look, I will wrestle this man to the ground very soon. You know what I can do.
Was he expecting you to fight them?
I will wrestle you to the ground very soon. Try me.
Is he not human being?
Nonsense. Oh wait, those people are still there.
Akata. This is too bad. When will this end? Why can't they leave us alone? Sorry, my friend. We know that one day this thing will end. Our gods will fight for us. What am I hearing? Oh God. So they spat on our face again? This is terrible. Huh? I don't know what they really take us for. Animals? This is degradingly degrading. What is this? Something has to be done. My only eye is God. Because of my brother. Please take it easy. Please.
I am ashamed to be son of Anuba. How can we face this kind of humiliation and keep silent?
Our fathers brought us to this point. Maybe it is too late to do something now.
One day we'll wake up and find only houses standing in Anuba.
Then they will rest.
I will not allow them to do anything to us again. It is not for me.
I know.
What if they take us all as their slaves?
All the others are scared of doing so. Because none of them wants to die.
What if they take me with them?
I will make sure I bring one man down before they kill me.
Then let's run away.
No. Only a coward runs away in a time like this. I am not a coward. And I will not teach other men how to be a coward.
I am scared. I am scared.
You don't have to be. Okay? I am here for you.
Go wait for me. Go, why are you doing this now? Why are you doing this? Ugochi, wait for me now.
What is it?
Take it easy with me. I heard what happened. I was at my maternal place when they came. If I were to be around, you know me, I would have torn one or two of their warriors into shreds.
Agumba, they took my only brother. They took my so far away.
Good. Take it easy. I am promising you, I still remain Agumba, the greatest wrestler of Anupa. Tonight, I will go to Umodu and wrestle them, ravage the entire village, and bring your brother Osofo back. Trust me. I will do that for you, my love. Take it easy. Ugom. How is she doing this thing? I still remain Agumba, the greatest wrestler of Anupa. I will go tonight and defeat them. And I will get my woman back. Yes? My woman will be back to me. Yes?
You know this palm wine has it. Yeah, that is why I always tell him to bring. Very fresh from the tree.
Greetings, my elder.
Greetings, Ebubeji. What brought you here?
I am here to ask you to tell other elders. I want permission to gather some men to fight the people of Umuadu. We cannot sit and watch them take us away and slaughter us like goats.
Ebubeji, your great-grandfather was Ojadele, the fiercest wrestler ever born in Anupa. But he never defeated anybody from Umuadu. So tell me, how do you think you can do what our forefathers could not do? Are you a demigod?
Ask him! Ask him! Did you not hear that it was in Umuadum that your great-grandfather got his waist broken?
Oh.
So tell me, what will happen to you when you stand them in battle? I only ask for support. If I can have 50 men, groom them, who can fight the people of Umuadu, who can come together as warriors and fight the people of Umuadu. That is what I am saying.
And defeat them, okay? Ebubeji, shut up. Go home and rest. This matter was beyond our forefathers. I am advising you to go home and get married. So that when they come for you, you will have somebody who can bear your name.
They cannot come for me.
Eh?
I am not our forefathers. I cannot stay alive and watch another man's body coming. I'd rather fight.
Ebubeji,
It is a child that engaged in a separated fight that creates for more.
Oh, no. We want to go and fight.
With
that men.
My
We have to call him and get more. It is useless to live without fighting that fights you, because it will eventually eat you. If I am from descendant of Ojadele, let my veins broil, fellow. Delibe, you are still standing here.
I have not gotten any word from my father. I do not know if he's getting better or not.
They would have sent words if his sickness was that terrible. So I believe he is getting better.
Grandmother, I want to see my father. I want to set my eyes on him.
Delibe, how many times do I explain this to you?
That I would die if my father set his eyes on me?
You are the next heir to the throne. Yes, you are. The spirit protecting your father's throne will see you like the potential enemy to the king. Until he dies, you will not enter the palace. I am tired of explaining this to you each passing month.
Grandmother, I do not know my mother. And I will not see my father until he is dead.
That is the tradition of your people.
Adaka, the sky seems overcast.
Eye of the gods, the suspense is becoming too much for us to bear. What has happened to our king, Ikemba?
But why can't we go inside and see him?
He has joined the passage of our ancestors.
Hey!
This everlasting rest has begun.
Hey! Ikemba! Hey! Ikemba! Oh, why did you not wait a little longer? Hey!
The Iroko has fallen. I'm telling you.
We must bury him on a K-day from now. As you know, with 7 virgins.
Dinka, go and tell Delibe what has happened.
you came with bad news. Tell me my father is no more.
My prince, Abba sent me to tell you. Ikemba has begun his everlasting rest.
Go and tell the elders to prepare for my father's burial. I am going to give him the greatest funeral in the 9 clans of Imo. If the other kings were buried with 7 virgins, my own father will be buried with 7 innocent slaves and 7 virgins.
I will pass your message across to the elders, my prince.
Indeed, we have to start the preparations for the burial of our late king, since Prince Delibe has given his approval for the burial.
Dinka, take your men to Anupa. Tell them to provide 7 innocent male slaves and 7 virgins on or before the next 4 days.
I'll do that right away.
What do you want this time?
No. Okolo, the son of Ukwacha. Yes, the son of Ukwacha. That is what they do.
Weaklings of Anupa, my king is dead and you are here taking palm wine.
But we have sent message to his son. Tell him to be strong.
Yes. We are here to deliberate on how to come for the burial rite.
Yes.
My elder sent me to tell you to provide 7 slaves and 7 virgins for the burial of my great king, Ike.
Kimba. Then we will be back on body. Yes. I understand.
Yes, yes, yes.
For how long will we take this intimidation from Umuodum? For how long?
That's why I always say we should marry many wives and multiply.
Shut up. I don't know what to say.
How can Umuodum assassin and protest in our legs?
Elders, let us gather the virgins as soon as possible.
Yes, now.
And what if we fight them?
Yes. Yes.
What if we stand as men and tell them they cannot take our daughters?
Yes.
To bury their king.
Ebubeji, no one invited you here. Go.
But he is making sense.
Making sense about what?
Don't they have virgins in their clan?
Stop! Akata, stop.
Do you want them to come and wipe us out in one night? They have great warriors. We cannot match them.
Of course.
Are they not human beings? Do they have 7 heads? Why can't we form strong men to fight them?
Yes! I'm with you. Ebubeji, leave title men alone to think. Leave us alone.
Leave us alone, Biko. What to fight them? What do you have to fight them?
Now what?
We have to provide the 7 virgins and 7 slaves and give it to them.
Yes, of course.
Before Nkwode.
What? Yes. That is it.
We have to provide 7 virgins and 7 slaves before Nkwo Market Day.
Yes. We have to do so to avoid trouble.
I will not allow them to take any of my offspring anymore.
Then you have to ready to donate yourself.
Akata, I am not ready for any war. If you want to fight a war, you have to do it all alone.
Of course. Omenoko. You hear yourself. Hey, just yet. Hey, just yet. Hey, just yet. You want to fight for, go and fight. You have big body.
You are worried.
Ikemba of Umuodum is dead. We must provide 7 virgins and 7 male slaves for his burial.
Why must it be us?
Because we are cowards. We are weaklings.
What do we do?
I have to call the young men of this village. I need to talk to them.
I do not want to die. I do not want to die.
My love, nothing will happen to you as long as I'm alive.
What has been bothering you since you returned from Amma? Eh?
I'm wondering if our ancestors were cripples.
Hey, to fear for. How could you say such a thing?
It is because they are silent. While the people of Umodum eat us as a kite eat the chicks when they like.
Have they sent us pamphlets for we again? And have they?
Ikemba, their king, is dead.
Eh?
Our men have become so silent that silence means no shame to them.
Are you going to let them take our only daughter away from us?
Dad, my dear, I'm confused. My hands are tied. I can't fight this fight alone. It's not a fight for only one man to fight. I don't know what to do.
God. Then, I am going to take my daughter to Umuchu.
You know that is not possible. They have already placed their warriors on all our boundaries. How do you expect to get out of this clan? Unless you want them to kill the both of you.
You're not saying anything. Gucci, you're keeping me silent.
Agumba, what do you want me to say? What? Can you save me from this? Can you save me from dying in Umodum? You know I am still a virgin.
Wait. Is it what I'm thinking? You want me to take you in?
Agumba, please. Agumba, please. Nobody will know.
Ugochi, I would have loved to do this. But there is this charm in my body. If I touch you now, the charm will become useless.
Of what use is your charm when you cannot use it to save your people? Useless charm.
This girl not going to give her body to someone else.
We have to get the virgins ready before they come on Wode. I'll bring 3 of my slave boys. Look at the way it sounds in your mouth, like honey on a pallet. Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to the sun.
Ejeze, you sound as if it is my making. It is not my making.
No, it's not your making, I know. It's not your making.
I'd rather kill my daughter than to watch her buried alive.
You will do no such thing. Or I will tell them when next they come back.
You will tell them I know. But you have no thought of your own.
Ejeze, watch your tongue.
Thought of your own, you will say that.
Ejeze, watch your tongue.
There is no need for this argument. There is no need. We can always take new wives that will bear us children.
Oh.
Huh? How long do you have to do that?
Ask him.
This question is useless. Ejeze, Akata, bring your virgin daughters to the square on Kwode. Let's go.
I will rather kill myself than allow them take my daughter away. Nobody will do that.
This one you are alive. It's your fear. Neko.
I'd rather eat my testicles because they are of no use to me.
Look at those idiots. We will have these people contract us in the
I want to believe the gods of Anukba are not weaklings. I just want to believe this misfortune will not come to pass. I want to believe that. I just want to get lost. I want to get lost. I knew in my last war that this land was the land of weak men. I wouldn't have returned. How do we live in fear? Not the fear of hunger, not the fear of famine, not the fear of dying a natural death, but the fear of dying by another man's sword or dying a slave.
What brought you to this place? I don't know how I got here. Please, where am I?
This is Amanabo.
Amanabo. It is a far journey. How did I get here?
Where are you from?
I'm from Anukba.
Anukba? Anukba? Okay. You look scared.
The people of Umodum will take us soon with them to bury their king Ikemba.
Okay. Are you now running away from them?
No. No, I am not running from them. One cannot run away from our fate. What is funny?
Your people are ridiculous.
And why did you say so?
Why would you allow them to treat you like animals? My grandfather told me they tried to do that rubbish with us once. And our king killed 7 of their men.
Please, I would like to hear the whole story.
It's okay. I will take you to my grandfather now.
Your land is very peaceful.
Oh, yes, it is. My land is a very peaceful land. Please, let's go.
Is that you?
Yes, Nai. Please, where are you going to?
I want to go and buy some snow. I've been waiting for you to return.
I'm sorry, Nai. I went to get some leaf and I met someone on my way.
Who is that?
He's telling
My name is
Ugochi, the daughter of Akata. You are betrothed to Akumba, the wrestler.
How did you know my name and how did you know about Agumba?
My grandfather is actually a seer. Yes.
Come, my daughter. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. This blood, this innocent blood, will cry in the land of Umadum.
Is it my blood?
Come and sit down. Sit down.
Nai, I am scared. Please tell me it is not my blood you see crying in Umodum.
Do you want to hear the truth?
Yes. I know I will die. I know the truth will hurt, but I want to hear it. Am I going to be taken away by the men of Umodum to be buried alive? Am I going to die?
many sons and daughters of Anupa will die.
What did we ever do to the people of Umodu? What?
Let me tell you how it all started. It started when a young man from Anupa fell in love with a young woman of Umodum. It was the first time love brought hate.
Jen.
It's like you're trying to lift it.
Yes.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Thank you.
Where are you taking it to?
I'm taking it to my grandmother.
Is she from this land?
Yes.
Yeah.
She's in Bori, the snuff seller.
Oh, don't worry. The snuff seller?
Yes.
Oh. I know her house. Don't worry, I will take it to her.
Thank you.
It's okay. What?
I think you have to go back now so I can walk faster.
But you've not told me your name.
Oh, sorry. My name is Nina. They said I'm reincarnation of my father's mother.
Really? Wow. I'm Udonna.
Udonna?
Yes.
Okay. I have to start going now.
I want you to stay a little while now, please. Okay, fine. Let me still walk you.
You say so.
Go back from here.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. But can I see you tomorrow?
But you don't know my father's house.
I will look for it, don't worry.
Okay, you know what? Wait for me under the tree behind my grandmother's hut.
It's okay. I promise I'll do that. Bye.
See you then.
Bye. Take good care of yourself. I don't know you can run like leopard.
Yes, I can. You don't want to go home now, do you?
I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I feel like staying with you. I wish I can stay with you until tomorrow comes.
But I have to go. Father will be looking for me now. Wait for me as agreed.
My heart beats for you.
Can't you feel my own heart beats? Have you fallen in love with a stranger before?
No, you're not a stranger. Today is like ages.
Say it.
I love you.
I can feel it from your heartbeats. Please do not hurt me.
I will not.
Nena,
Father, welcome.
how is your grandmother?
She's well. She sent her regards.
Okay. Let's go and get water for me to drink.
Okay, fine.
Nena Asam Obi Hey, why Marama? The woman with a golden smile. If I have my way, I will sound Ikoro. I will sound Ikoro for the whole world to know our affection. Then I love you. I love you so much.
Inenna. Inenna. Where is this girl? Inenna.
Father.
Please come.
Yes, Father.
Sit down. Nina, I want us to talk like father and daughter.
Okay.
There are so many things I know that you can only imagine. I want you to confide in me. Who is Udonna?
Udonna. Oh, Udonna. Father, Udonna is a man in a story my grandmother told me about.
I have this feeling you are not telling me the truth. Nana.
Father.
Look me in the eyes and tell me you are not lying to me.
No, Father. Father, I'm not lying to you. Have you not heard about the story of Udonna, the hunter?
Listen, I am your father. I am not a child. Remember, you are to keep yourself pure until the selection of the next Ezewine of this land. And the gods willing, you could be the next Ezewine of this land. And once that happens, our family will not only be famous, we would become very rich. Yes.
But Father, I've told you I don't want to be the next Ezewine.
Oh yes, you will become one. I have made preparations long ago in the past. Listen, I visited a great medicine man. Don't worry, you are fortified. Yes. Come on. Put on a smile. Yes.
You are only a coward.
I am not a coward.
Then prove it.
Oh. Well, I have defeated Ekwe of Umutu. And I, Akumba, defeated Okrike of Achina.
Tell him. Tell him again.
He has forgotten.
Agumba, all he said is the truth.